Students, I will explain touching circles. Suppose if you have got two circles and they touch each other at only one point. See very carefully here. When we call two circles or touching circles, if they touch each other at only one point, that means what you see, any line touching the circle at only one point mean that is called tangent. That means this line is touching this line circle as well as this circle at only one point. That means this line is a common tangent to these two circles. Okay. Now look at this OT. This touching point is called T. So OT is the radius of the first circle and PT is the radius of the second circle. Okay. So I am putting the measure of the radius of first circle is R1 and the length of the radius of the second circle is R2. Now look at this. What is the distance between the center of these two circles? See, this radius, this point center, this point of contact and this center all lying on the same line. That means these 3 points are collinear. Okay. When two circles are touching each other externally at only one point, then the center of those circles and the point of contact all lying on the same line. In other words, they are collinear. Then what is the distance between this center and this center? You have to add this R1 plus R2. For example, what is the distance between OP? Distance between OT and OP. See here, OT and TP. So 10 plus 5 equal to 15. Suppose this is 10, this is 5, we will get 15. That means, in order to find out the distance between any two touching circle, if they touch each other externally, then you have to add the radius. Okay. Now, in other way, suppose these two circles are touching internally at only one point. That means at only one point it touches means what? It is a tangent. So we can draw a line. Okay. So this is a tangent. This is the touching point between two circles. See again, this O is the center of the bigger circle and P is the center of the smaller circle. Then what is the distance between the center of these two circles? If they touch internally, OP. So OP, how you will get? OT minus PT. That means suppose if you take the radius of the bigger circle is 10 and the radius of the smaller circle is 4, then what will be the distance between them? 6. That means how we will get? OP equal to OT, that means radius of the bigger circle minus radius of the smaller circle. Right. So that's all. So this is something about touching circle externally and internally. Based on this, we will do exercise 3.2.